are in Fiordland right now, and you can see this. And I'm with Desmond. Desmond. So, yee. We have just some ikot-ikoting na naman sa Desmond. He's not into a camera thing. That's what he said. There's nothing much, so I'm just doing my look at this. Let's go, Desmond. Let's go walk for a walk. Indies. Wanna go straight? So, there's nothing much here aside from morning. So wala naman masyado dito. It's parang Alaska lang din, tulad nung nasa Alaska kami. So ito yung basketball court, everything. You can see there's nothing much here. So that's it, guys. Wait there.